This is my classroom website. Welcome to first grade. To make this year run smoothly, I have made this website for you all to use. Here you'll be able to find links, information, or a monthly newsletter. You will click on the home button, and this is our home page. When you click on About Me, you'll see all about me. I am Caitlin. You can call me Miss Toback. I cannot wait to get to know each and every one of you. Born and raised on Long Island, love it there so much. So excited to teach all of you. I've been teaching first grade at New Lane Memorial Elementary School on Long Island for 6 years now. I went to Suffolk County Community College for 3 years and then transferred to SUNY Oneonta to get my teacher's certificate. I also got my master's degree through a program at Oneonta that works with children who have special needs. Here you can find the school contact information, the name of the school, the address, school's number, and my personal phone number. Some of my favorite things: season would be summer, color would be blue, food, macaroni and cheese, and animal would be a frog. Then you can click on Students Corner, and you can find our daily schedule, specials, assignments for each week, and what supplies you will need for the year. If you hover over Students Corner, you can click on our daily schedule, which will have our specials, and you'll be able to see that we have many things going on. If you hover over it again, you can find our assignments. So for this week, we've got some math, social studies, spelling, and some science. We've got a test on Wednesday and on Friday. If you hover again, you can find all the materials and supplies that you will need for the year. If you click on Parents Corner, you'll be able to find our monthly newsletter, calendar, important dates and information about the school, and common questions that have been asked in the past. You can even find out about our PTA, our Parent Teacher Association. If you want to get involved, you can contact our PTA president at her email, or come to the meetings on Tuesday night at 6:30 in the library. If you hover over Parents Corner, you can click on Newsletter, and you can find our newsletter and our calendar for December 2019. If you go and you click on this PDF like I'm about to do, it opens right to our newsletter. I make it a little smaller for you guys. There you go. That's our newsletter, and this is our calendar. And then if you hover over Parents Corner again, you can find our important dates. We've got parent-teacher conferences, PTA meetings. We're doing some Arctic exploration for the month. We have a clothing donation, and then we have winter break. We've got 3 birthdays in the classroom coming up this month, which is pretty cool. And if you hover over Parents Corner again, you'll find some facts. So some of our facts, we have 5 different facts that are some frequently asked questions. You can read them, and you can find the best ways to find information about contacting me, helping your children succeed, attendance, extra help, and homeworks on the weekend. If you click on More, you can find out our classroom projects, quick links for practice at home, and our school website. If you hover over More, you can click on Classroom Projects. And this month, we are doing Arctic exploration. We're learning about different things in the Arctic. So we're going to be learning about what food they eat, how they sleep, how they live. We're going to be making a polar bear plate friend. And we're going to be making a polar bear hand stencil. And I have the directions here in case you want to do it at home with them too and make a family of polar bears. If you hover over More, you can find some quick links and click on that. Some of the quick links, we have Brain Pop, and when you click on it, it opens right to Brain Pop. And then if you click on the library, it'll open right to the library. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find some cool math games, which have some pretty cool and fun math things to do. And then if you want to practice some spelling, we can go to Crazy Fish Spelling. And it shows different ways of spelling and different words that you can practice on your own. Then if you hover over More again, and you go down to school website, you can click on it. And you can find information about our school, the name, the address, main office phone number, some pictures that we've had recently, and then if you click on where it says our school's name, you will be brought to our school's website. Thank you so much for coming with me on this tour of my website. Have a good day.